Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to push your projects to GitHub. So first you have to download Git that allows you to track every minute change you make to your code. For Linux, you can do that just type in this command in your terminal. But since I use Windows, I'm going to download it on their website. After you downloaded it, I have my local project called Mern, as you can see. And now I'm going to push all my code to a repository on GitHub. So I open GitHub and make sure that you're logged in. And now you need to do is to click on that plus button and create new repository. And here I give my repository name, which is in my case Mern. And also I will give some description. Mern stack project. And then just hit create repository. And here is information how you can push your code to your GitHub repository. Okay, so now let's open our project on terminal. And now we have to initialize my local directory. And for that I type git init. And then I type git add period. This will add all my files to my repository. And then let's just copy that command. And then I need to copy this address. And now we can finally push our project to GitHub. But instead of main, I'm gonna type master. Let's just reload our page. And now as you can see, I have my project here. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.